Start your day with a little Tex-Mex and a breakfast taco. Super easy to make in minutes with your favorite scrambled egg recipe and all your favorite toppings. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making breakfast tacos. They're so simple and quick to make. In just a matter of minutes, you're gonna want them every single day. And the best part about these, if you make a big batch of scrambled eggs, everyone in the family can top them any way they want, and that is a win for breakfast. So to get started, you're going to have scrambled eggs. You can make them any way you want, or you can check out my recipe for the easiest scrambled eggs ever. Refried beans, you can use canned or homemade. Also have a recipe for homemade refried beans, and they're bonkers amazing. Delicious homemade salsa or your favorite brand. Some cilantro, avocado, lime, tortilla cheese, or regular cheddar cheese. It is up to you. The options are limitless on how you build your taco. And to start, you're just going to take a tortilla and you want to warm it according to the package directions. So these were just warmed in the microwave in some damp paper towels. And then you're going to spread your refried beans right on top of the tortilla. And just put a thin layer of refried beans right in the center and spread it all the way to the edge. And we love the refried beans because they're a great source of protein. This is a great breakfast if you want to use like a low carb tortilla. I have a favorite that's by Mission. They have a great low carb tortilla. And then you're just gonna top with your scrambled eggs. If you want to mix in a little like cumin or chili powder or some cayenne pepper into your scrambled eggs to kind of like zhuzh them up a little bit, that's not a bad idea either. So we're just gonna top with some of the scrambled eggs. And then we're going to slice up some avocado. We'll set that aside. And you just wanna like peel off the skin from your avocado, half. So first you're gonna cut it in half and then peel off the skin. And you put the cut side down, and we're just gonna slice it thinly. And this is so you don't have a big giant slice of avocado in your taco, because it'll just squish out. If you're doing this ahead of time, just give it a little squeeze of lime. All right, and then I like to take the center slices and kind of fan them out. And then we'll just give it a little salsa, a little scoop of salsa on top. It looks so yummy. And then some of that tortilla cheese. It adds like a nice saltiness to it. And then a couple leaves of cilantro, unless you don't like cilantro, but I love it. So we're gonna put a lot on there. And then a little squeeze of lime. How easy was that? Looks so amazing. I cannot wait to take a bite. There's so much flavor packed into that little tortilla. The most epic way to start your breakfast. It's creamy and salty and a little bit of heat. So, so, so good. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.